Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video today, I will teach you how to make a video that is completely reverse. That you can see a lot of people have been create this video and post it on TikTok, and it is became 1 million or until 20 million of you, and it is very popular hosting that is converted by um, editing with a portrait video in Filmora. And today I will show or take you how to do that. Now the first we're gonna do is we create a new project. If you want to be a portrait, so you're gonna change this size to 120 and then this size to 1280. It will become the portrait video now, and then click OK. And the next time we're gonna export the video file that you really want to use with that. For example, now I'm gonna use this one to become a portrait right here. And now I'm gonna cut some part of the small part here because it should be starting from this place. Okay, now we can see here, and now you can see here it is jumping into the water like this, and now we can see here. Okay, well, maybe this one clip is completely right. Okay, now I'm gonna cut from this place to cut some part of the videos, and here, and now we're gonna going back to this place. Okay, now we do not use the waters because we want to be make them to be reverses, so it can be returned. Everything is to be returned to the place, to back. For example, I'm gonna cut some part of this one here and make them to any more longer. And you can see now we're gonna start thing with this one here. Okay, and starting from this place, this clip here. Okay, this place. Now we're gonna cut the part of the video and keep it to be a very small length like this. So now let's get started and play the video when he is jumping into the water, but he will be returning. Now you can see here, he will be returning like this. Okay, so the thing that we're gonna do next is we add some small clips. That is this one here, that picking into the water just like this. Okay, like this, and then it is a short clip frame that you can use with that. So now I'm gonna click on the ending here, and we're gonna cut some part of the video here. So this video is too long, but you can cut it to be a small. For example, the clip that that you really want to use with that. For example, this place. Okay, with starting from this place and then returning, and then returning. Okay, this one here, this clip here. Now we're gonna start to poke. Okay, start from this one. Okay, this is two. Okay, it okay, should be starting from this place. Now I'll cut some more part and this place. Okay, now we have two clips that completely cut that into the video. For example, it's gonna jumping like this, and you will see the clip is the toe is putting into the water, and then it will be returned like this. So I think it is the most funny video that a lot of people try to do with it. So the next time that we're gonna do is go to the ending point and copy this first clip here, and then pass it to this place one. So to make it reverse or returning, so you right click on that, and you're gonna click on speed and duration here. So go ahead and click on this, and you will see the reverse speed. Reverse speed is mean turn everything to be back, to be returning. So click on that, and then click on OK, and then click OK. And now he will returning from the water. He is not a jumping video now. So now let's check it out. And okay, this is the most funny that he is returning back to. Now we're gonna see it again, and okay. This is the most funny, but I've seen a lot of people have doing this. I found it a lot popular, and million of viewers that a lot of people try to find the solution how to cut this. So there are 3 clips that we're gonna do with that, and you can even add the music or more, but at this time I'm not gonna show you how to do that. So we're gonna find the music that I have a music, but it's not properly added to that video because it takes too much time to the video tutorial. But this main idea of this video tutorial, I just want to tell you that the most popular video that is completely created and posted on social media like TikTok, Instagram, or any social media that have a lot of viewers is they are cutting like this and post them to the TikToks or Instagram or real or short, anything that million of people are super awesome to them. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you guys understand how to do this. So thank you. And I have some small part to explain you more. For example, we have this video here and the other video. Now I'm gonna pass it that, and we start to play it from this place, and it look like this. You will see everything is slow motion like this. So I will take you or show you how to do this on the next time to increase speed of jumping back from the slow motion video. And you can see here, and now we're gonna right click on that, and choose the speed and duration and reverse it. So if you really want him to be reversed or returning like this, and now you can see here that everything is returning or jumping back from the waters. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial.